All right, so I was literally walking home from the body shop, which is that way. My house is that way. It's about 10 blocks. I dropped off my Mercury Grand Marquis that got rear-ended, and I spotted this antique cabinet sitting on the side of the road. And didn't think, usually you see this stuff, it's usually junk, but this one actually seems to be really good quality. So I went back home, got my truck, came back, so we're gonna grab it. And then when I get it back to my house, we'll take a look at it, see what it is. But it's got like really nice features on it. And you'll be really happy to see that I'm saving something that otherwise might have been trashed. All right, got the antique buffet back to the house. Got it off the truck. Unfortunately, I messed up. I kind of damaged it just a little bit down there because I had to tilt it up on its side, put a dolly on it just to get it out of there. And there was a tree, and I didn't see it was a hard branch, and I whacked the hard branch with that edge. But it's not that bad. If someone put some like touch-up stain on there, you wouldn't even notice it unless you crawled down there. It has pretty decent patina, like original. Looks like somebody put something like a bowl or something that sat here, which may fade out over time. If you don't put something there, you can put a piece of cloth over it. I've got my grandmother's 1940s buffet in the house, and I've got something over it to cover up all the years of people leaving cups or anything else on it, if you will. This one's nice. This one has the original drawer pulls, and they're matching. You see, this one's got a diamond motif, and it has all the original. You can see the diamonds on the design in the cabinet. So these are original to the piece, and they're all there, which is really nice. I don't know if these are silver or what they are, but I don't think it's silver. I kind of doubt it. Actually, no, you can see on this one it's faded. It's a copper with like a silver coating on it. So it's probably like I'm guessing it's copper. Back then they still used copper before copper went stupid in price. So that would be I'm guessing this is about 1930s to 1950s. You see it's got a drawer here for your utensils. When you have somebody over, you can keep your nice china under there, if you will. So it's the cabinet here with the drawers. So I have one very similar. Probably I like the style of the one I have better. It actually belonged to my grandmother, so I'm definitely never getting rid of that one. But I just cannot believe somebody left this on the curb. It is a commercial piece, probably fairly mass produced. I couldn't find a maker's tag on it, but it's very high quality, much higher quality than the stuff you get now, like especially with IKEA and everything like that. But I live in a neighborhood full of craftsman houses from the early 1900s, and this like fits in perfectly. I wish I had somewhere to put it myself, but I don't because I've got all these jukeboxes and other things. But everything opens and closes well. It's in decent condition. I'm sure I just wiped down the top a little bit. I'm sure somebody actually spent some time cleaning this. It's a very nice piece, but like I said, the price was right. It was kind of just left on the curb for someone to pick up or maybe get trashed. And I'm going to be putting this up for sale. Not going to ask a ton because I kind of need it out of here because I've got nowhere to put it. But I'll see if maybe I can make a few bucks just for going down and snagging this thing. Okay, so it's been a week since I found the buffet cabinet on the side of the road, and I managed to finally sell it for $150, including delivery, about 15 minutes from here. So I got it back in my truck, and I'm taking it over. So all I did was really clean it, post it. I got a lot of looky-loos. At first I didn't put the dimensions, which the dimensions are about 6 feet long, and a lot of people it's too big for their space. Finally found somebody that wanted it. I had another lady that wanted it, but she couldn't take it till next week, and she didn't give me a deposit, so she kind of lost out on it if she was even serious. But I had another couple says they want it if I can bring it over. So I'm taking it over right now. So it just goes to show you sometimes, even if someone throws something out, it doesn't mean it's no good. Realistically, this in like a antique furniture store would be about $400 or $500. So they're getting a good deal. I made a little bit of money, so everybody's happy, and we saved the antique. All right, so this is Mike Finds Things. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment as to some of the stuff you might have found outside that someone didn't want. And until next time, I'll be seeing you.